Welcome back. You're now looking at an older version of a WordPress-based sales page builder called Optimize Press. Optimize Press will allow you to create the presentation pages for your launch by giving you existing templates that you need to modify. For example, within this builder, you can modify opt-in pages, thank you pages, sales pages, and webinar pages. You can do the same thing within premium solutions like ClickFunnels and other cloud-based systems. If you use WordPress, you can use a system like Elementor, which has many low-cost and free templates available for you to use. If you use a system like Thinkific for your product creation, you will have page templates for every aspect of your product launch. And this is going to be the case for any course platform that you use. You will have access to a sales page creation system. Since you will be modifying a template, you'll want to know what to put in your template in order to make your sales page effective. You can learn the basics of making an effective presentation by going to your favorite search engine and looking for David Fry's 12-step foolproof sales letter. And you can use this information in order to modify any template that you use in any system. And while technically not a sales page template, if you use a shopping cart system like ThriveCart, you can design a checkout page that you can modify with the elements of David Fry's system to create an effective sales presentation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.